Hello friends, I'm gonna tell about one of the network tool that is nmap. It is a network mapper. First, it was published in 1997 in an article in a prank magazine with the source code included. So just they published the source code there, so the user may use that source code. With the help and contribution of the computer network community, development has continued. So the computer network community has helped and contributed for this enhancement included operating system fingerprinting. Enhancement includes operating system fingerprinting, server fingerprinting, code rewrite C to C++, additional scanning type protocols support like IPv6 and SCTP, and new program that accomplish NAP core features. So in 1997 these things were introduced, and then till last month also there was an update came in nmap. About nmap is an security scanner originally written by Jordan Leon, used to discover host as well as servers on the security network, thus creating a map. So it creates a map to the host and the servers, so that you can see what is discover which hosts are connected to which servers, or which hosts and networks are there in the network. To accomplish this goal, nmap sends special craft packets, so it sends some of the packets to the target host so that it can identify which host it is and then analyze the response. So it will send some packets or some messages to the host, so that the host replies to that message. So analyzing the response of it, it detects which type of host it is. The software provides a number of features of probing computer network, including host discovery. It discovers which host is connected and which server are connected, and which operating system detection. So which operating system also it detects. So we can detect three main things here: which host, which server, and operating system. These features are extensible by script that provides more advanced services, detection, vulnerability detection, and other features. So this script is also more advanced services like detection also is detection, and other features also can be used here. Is capable of adapting the it can adapt to any of the network conditions, including latency is network latency is an expression of how much time it takes for a packet for a packet of data to get from one destination point to another. In the same environment, latency is measured by sending a packet that is returned to the sender. The round trip time is considered as the lattice. So how much it defines how much time it may be doing it. And conjunction is the data networking and queuing theory is a reduced quality of the server that occurs when a network node is carrying more data than the net can handle. So it's like when the node is handling more data. So if a node can carry only 2 MB but it's carrying like 3 MB or 4 MB, it is called network type of packet, including queuing of delay. So there will be queuing of delay, so packets will be accumulated there, because 2 MB packet is carrying 2 MB node is carrying a 3 MB packet, something like that. So the packet may be lost, so that 1 MB may be lost, and so these are the conditions are there during the scanning. So while scanning is there, this will be happening. So NAP is under development and refreshment by it's an open source, we can say directly it's an open source. Yeah, actually it was started originally in Linux Unity. Now it was ported to Windows, Solarity, HP, UX, BSD, and everything, all other operating systems also. Yeah. The next thing is features. Host discover identification of host on network. So it discovers which type of host is there. For example, listening the host that responds to TCP and or to IMCP request, or having particular post. And another thing is like port scanning. So emulate the open ports on target host, so it checks which ports are using it. And version detection, ignoring network services on remote devices, and determining application name and version. So it determines which version they are using it. IPv4, IPv6, something like that. And OS design determine the operating system and the hardware characters of the network. So if I'm using with my laptop, OS is 8.1. If some others is Linux, so it determines which operating system the device is running. And using the scripting, so it will be written in many of the scripts, like it can be written in C, C++, Java, and layer programming also. So authenticating the network of a device or firewall by identifying network detection which can be make through it, identifying open ports on target host to prepare authentication, and these are the features it will be like doing it. So it can be NetMap is a tool that can be used to discover server running on internet connected systems. Like any tools, it could be potentially be used for black hat. Actually, black hat is an individual. Black hacker is an individual with it. He can extensive of computer or network computer knowledge who's supposed to break the internet security. So his main black hat hacker main purpose is to break the security or breach the security, internet security, or also known as these black hackers are also known as crackers or dark side hackers. The general view is that while hackers build things, break things. So this they mainly want to break the hacker. So this is mainly used for this for breaking these things. And system authority can be authorities can use the access to such an unauthorized server. If an unauthorized server is connected to the systems or something else is related to a system such as Nexus. Even Nexus also uses nmap, which tests for common vulnerability in the open port, so it checks which all the connected to it. In some jurisdictions, unauthorized port scanning is illegal. So this is how the nmap works. So it detects the mainly we can see it detects the host, servers, and the OS. So if any unauthorized host or server is connected to the connected in the network, so it detects it and it removes it. So this is how somehow we can prevent the some of the security attacks. Thank you.